press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Important compounds of silicon. Important compounds of silicon. The first compound is silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide, about 95% of Earth crust is silica. Silica, the other name of silicon dioxide, and silicates. Silicon dioxide commonly known as silica, quartz, cristobalite, and tridymite These are the crystalline form of silica. Structure of this compound. Structure of silica is, it is SiO2 is a covalent three-dimensional solid. Silica atom covalently bonded in a tetrahedral manner. In a tetrahedral manner to 4 oxygen atom. Similarly, each oxygen surrounded by 4 silicon atom. So, each silicon surrounded by 4 oxygen, each oxygen surrounded by 4 silicon to form tetrahedral manner. So, this is a structure of the silicon dioxide. Next, in structure form, silicon with oxygen, silicon and oxygen, This is the structure of the silicon dioxide. This is the structure of the silicon dioxide and the properties of silicon dioxide. In properties, silica is a normal non-reactive. Silica, the normal non-reactive because silicon oxygen bond is very strong, not breaks easily. Is very strong, not breaks easily. Very strong and not breaks easily. In certain point, it resists attacking halogens. It resists attacking halogens, hydrogen. It is not reacting with the hydrogens. Most of the acid, metal and metal, even at elevated temperature, In the next, it is attacked by hydrogen fluoride and sodium hydroxide. Reaction: silicon dioxide reacts with the sodium hydroxide, forms Na2SiO3, sodium silicate, with the water molecules. If silicon dioxide reacts with hydrogen fluoride, then silicon tetrafluoride and 2 water molecules. So these are the properties of silica or silicon dioxide or quartz or cristobalite, the different tridymite. Different names are available for the silicon dioxide. Next it is uses of silicon dioxide. Uses of silicon dioxide. One, it is used as resource for pure silicon. Used as resource for pure silicon. Used as a resource for pure silicon. Large fumes used to heat. Large furnace used to heat. Silicon dioxide to remove oxygen, and leaving behind pure silicon dioxide on heating in a furnace gives silicon with the removal of oxygen. Pure silicon prepared from the silicon dioxide. Next, in the third use, for the manufacture of semiconductors, silica used for the manufacture of semiconductors, wire insulation, fiber optic cables, at a high melting temperature. It's a high melting temperature. Chemical stability makes a perfect ingredient for insulating wires. Chemical stability makes perfect ingredient for insulating wires. Now, quartz is having piezoelectric properties. Quartz, the next use, quartz has piezoelectric properties. Quartz is having piezoelectric properties. Piezoelectric properties means this is used to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy and electrical energy to mechanical energy. So this type of the property is called as piezoelectric properties. This allows for radio, TV station to transmit, stabilize and receive signals. Sonar also used the piezoelectric property. Sonar also use the piezoelectric properties. piezoelectric properties to detect the vibrations. To detect the vibrations. Next, wristwatch. Like Rolex, used quartz to keep accurate time. Keep accurate time. Quartz to use accurate time. Next, it is today oil industry uses silicon dioxide gel. Silicon dioxide gel to refine crude oil into usable fuel. Such as gasoline. Oil industry uses silicon dioxide gel to refine crude oil into usable fuel, such as gasoline. Next, silicon dioxide used in glasses. Silicon dioxide used in glasses for windows, metal alloys, pipe flex, concrete, sand for foundation, sealants, sand blasting and many more applications. Sand blasting and many more applications. This about silicon dioxide preparation in the furnace to get a silicon properties and the uses of the silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide in another name silica, quartz, cristobalite, tridymite. So one will be in the competitive questions. Next compound of the silicon, it is silicones. Next compound of silicon, it is silicones. Silicones are organosilicon compounds. Organosilicon compounds. Silicones are organosilicon compounds, and it is having polymeric bonds. Examples are silicon or the R may be alkyl or aryl group. R may be alkyl or aryl group. R with CH3, SiO(Si), CH3, oxygen Si with CH3, oxygen, then CH3 group. This is example, and this is a general formula of silicone. General formula of silicones. Next it is preparation. Preparation involves 3 steps. Preparation of silicones. Preparation involves 3 steps. In step 1, formation of dichlorodimethyl Formation of dichlorodimethyl Formation of dichlorodimethyl when chloromethane reacts with silicon in presence of copper at 570 Kelvin gives dichlorodimethyl silane. In step 2, the first step product dichlorodimethyl silane undergoes hydrolysis. Dichlorodimethyl silane on hydrolysis. So the compound chlorine with CH3 and CH3 with chlorine. The compound is on hydrolysis, gives dimethyl silane, produces dimethyl silane compound is produced. Dimethyl silane. In third step, step 3, second step product polymerization of dihydroxy dimethyl silane gives silicone. So for this, the third step reaction, n number of dihydroxy dimethyl silane, n number of dihydroxy dimethyl silane polymerizes into silicone compounds. In step 3, n number of so this is called as silicone. Silicone also produced from similarly sheet-like silicone is prepared. Sheet-like silicone is prepared starting from trichloromethyl silane. Trichloromethyl silane compounds. Next it is properties of the silicone. Properties of silicone. Silicone present in the form of silicone present in the form of oils, viscous liquids, resins, or rubber like solids. Rubber-like solids depending on the length of the chain. In second, silicones are water repellents. Silicones are water repellents. Silicones are the water repellents and good insulators. Next, they do not lose their stability even at high temperature. They do not lose their stability at high temperature. They do not lose their stability at high temperature, do not become more viscous even at low temperature. Do not become viscous at low temperature. High temperature ನಲ್ಲಿ stability loss ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Low temperature ನಲ್ಲಿ then it will not get converted into viscous liquid, high density liquids. Next it is uses of silicone. Uses of silicone. Uses of silicone used for making waterproof cloth and paper. Used for making waterproof cloth and paper. Second, Vaseline from silicone. Vaseline from silicone used as lubricant. Useful lubricant. Lubricant in aeroplane. Lubricant in aeroplane which fly in warm conditions. Which fly in warm condition. That is the second use of the silicone. First use for making waterproof cloth and paper. Second, the Vaseline from silicone, a useful lubricant in aeroplane which flies in the dry and warm conditions. Third, it is silicone rubber used in insulation. Silicone rubber used in insulation. Insulation which will not conduct heat and electricity. In spaceship used in insulation and in spaceship and in jet planes. Jet planes. Next, silicone is an excellent insulating material. Silicone, excellent insulating material. Material in electric motors. Electric motors. Next and the last compound of the silicon is silicates. Silicates silicates, large number of silicates mineral exist in nature. Large number of silicate minerals large number of silicates exist in nature. What are the form it is available? Exist in nature. Example, feldspar, zeolite, which is synthetically called as permanganate, mica, and asbestos. These all are silicates. All are silicates. Basic unit of silicates. Basic unit of silicates is SiO4, 4 negative charge. SiO4, 4 negative charge, in which silicon atom surrounded by four oxygen atom. Silicon atom surrounded by 4 oxygen atom in tetrahedral manner. Similarly, each oxygen atom surrounded by 4 silicon atom. The silicate units connected to form silicate units connected to form silicate unit SiO4 4 minus connected to form chain ring sheet and three-dimensional structure. The negative charge on silicate is neutralized by positively charged metal. Positive charged metal ion. Positively charged metal ion. So now about the silicates. Large number of silicates exist in nature as feldspar, zeolite, mica and asbestos. The general formula of the silicate it is SiO4 4 minus. Each silicon surrounded by 4 oxygen atom. Each oxygen atom surrounded by 4 silicon. The negative charge of the silicates is neutralized by positively charged metal ion. Next, it is structure of the silicates. Silicon tetrahedral structure. At the center, silicon. One end with negative charge, another end with negative charge, then third end. The dot indicates, center dot indicates silicon atom. Then the round mark indicates oxygen with a negative charge. Oxygen with a negative charge. Two important uses of silicates. Two important uses of silicates. Important uses of silicates are in glass and cement. Glass and cement. Zeolite. It is another form of the silicates. Zeolite. Zeolite, if it is available in nature, if the same thing is manufactured in industrially, it is called permitted. Zeolite or permitted, one is nature, one is artificially prepared. Zeolite or aluminium silicate. Zeolite or aluminium silicate with a three-dimensional network. Three-dimensional network. Zeolites are used as molecular sieves. Used as molecular sieves. And can separate molecules of different sizes. Molecules of different sizes. It is used extensively as catalyst. Used extensively as catalyst. Used extensively as catalyst in petrochemical industry. Petrochemical industry. Next, ZSM5 used to convert alcohol directly into gasoline. Directly into gasoline. Sodium ions in silicate. Sodium aluminum silicate, zeolite. Zeolite is a sodium aluminum silicate. The sodium ion in silicates replaces calcium ion and magnesium ion of hard water. Magnesium ion of hard water in softening of the water. The hot water can get converted into soft water by using zeolite. Hard water, soft water convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ by using zeolite. Chemically, zeolite is sodium aluminum silicate. The sodium ions of the zeolite replaces calcium and magnesium ion of hard water, then produces soft water. So this is water softening. It is used in the silicate. Silicate is used to softening of water. Hard water is having calcium and magnesium ion, and soft water is not having calcium and magnesium ion. By using zeolite or permethate, PERMUTAT, permethate, it is both a sodium aluminum silicate used for conversion of hard water into soft water. With this part, for the board examination purpose, the P block elements gets completed. In next we will see the competitive part of the P block elements of 13th group and 14th group. Before to the next, you be prepared by using your home state and be thorough with the P block elements. It is also basic for the second PU P block elements. In second PU, you will be studying about 15th group to 18th group of the periodic table. So good luck, my students. Be prepared with the P block elements. In majority are written on the board, not only oral and also by writing. It is available and it is going to be a very good notes also for you. Be prepared well to face the board examination very shortly approaching you. Your hard work is very important to get the flying colors. Good luck, my boys and students.